I made thousands of rupees without any skill. I don't have really any skill, then also I made the thousands of rupees. So in this video I gonna show you that how I made the thousands of rupees without any skill, and you can make it too. So in this video we are going to show how you can make the clients and how to deal with the clients and how to do the cold mails and how to get the paid money with the process, with the secured process. Okay, so let's get started the video, guys. So guys, our first step is that to explore more and more things all about the AI tools. In the market there are different types of the AI tools like the image generator, prompt generator, or video generator, or anything. So you have to explore more and more AI tools in the market in the right now place. So because it helps to you for the content creator or the blog writing or anything else. The AI tools like the Gemini, ChatGPT, Midjourney, or anything else, they are the tools, or they are the more types of tools in the market. You have to explore more and more, so it helps you to freelancing. And our second step is that to make a proper resume. We have to make a proper resume. For that it helps us to the get clients. We have to show our resume to our clients. Okay, so we have to make a proper clients. After that we have the third step, that to explore more and more thing about the freelancing app websites like the freelancer website or the Upwork, Fiverr, or there are too many websites which is used to make a freelancing. So you have to explore more and more things about the freelancing apps, so you can send the more and more requests to the clients. Okay, so you can use the apps like the LinkedIn or the social media app like the Instagram. You can explore more and more apps like the LinkedIn or the social media apps like the Instagram, Facebook. You can run ads on the Facebook or the YouTube, like you have, like you are the freelancer or else, so you can get the clients easily. Or you can do the cold mails for the client. I am this and this, like I make the content writing or the blog writing or the video editing or the photo editing, anything good else. We have to write a proper message or on the cold mail that ourselves. And our last step is that we have to keep consistent in ourselves. We have to keep consistent that sending the request to the clients and so on. This is how we have shown that how to earn the money in the teenage. So let's see you in the next video, guys.